Hey again, back to show you how you can change any type of document, for the most part, to a PDF. What you need to know about PDFs is that they're compatible with any type of computer. Second, they're mostly static documents. Students will be able to write on them or write over them using text boxes and some of the tools found in Preview, which we'll take a look at in another video in this series. So any animations that you would have in a presentation or in a notebook will not translate into a PDF. The good thing about PDFs, as I said before, they're compatible with any type of device, and as we looked at in the first video in this series, they take up little to no storage in Google Drive. Let's take a look now at how you can take your pre-existing documents and change those into PDFs. First, let's talk about Microsoft products, things like PowerPoint or Word, which you might have some documents in already. It's very simple. If you can do a save as, you can make a PDF. So you've already created the document, step one done. You want to save it somewhere as normal so you have the working document file for yourself. Step two, most likely already done. Here's where the PDF part comes into play, and I'm going to do this live for you using PowerPoint first. I've created this presentation, looks awesome, and now I'm ready to send it out to my students. So I've already saved it somewhere, and now I'm going to go and find Save As, and once the dialog box pops up, I want to find this format for all Microsoft products. I'm going to find in this menu PDF. Once I change this to PDF and I've given this a name, I'm going to save that where I want it. And now I have this file, this presentation, as a PDF. I can do the same thing in Word and it works exactly the same. I've got my best work and I'm ready to give it to the students. So I go File, Save As. Once the dialog box pops up, go to Format again, PDF, and save this where I want it with the correct file name, fake file 2. And there you have it. That's how you do that, just that easy with Microsoft products. Of course, in the world of computing, no one way can be the way. So with Notebook and with anything iWork, that would be Keynote, that would be Pages, and that would be Numbers, you have to export the document as a PDF. And again, we'll take a look at how to do this. It's basically as simple as doing a save as. So I've created the document just like with Microsoft. I've saved it as normal, just like with Microsoft. Here's where the difference comes in. Instead of going File, Save As, and finding PDF, I'm going to do File, Export, PDF. Again, let me show you this live. So I'm going to start with Keynote. Here's my best work that I'm ready to get out to the students. I've saved it, and I'm going to go now to make it into a PDF. File, and here's Export to. Then I have all these options. I just want to choose PDF. And I get a whole bunch of options here. The only one I really concern myself with is this option, good, better, best. I always pick best because that's what we want to give our kids. So I click Next, create a file name, fake file 3. Love my naming protocol. And I'm actually going to put that here. And now I've got this as a PDF that I can put into my handouts folder for later. Let's take a look at how that looks in Pages. Here I'm in Pages. I've got my best work ready. File, Export to, PDF. Again, this time I just have this one option. This is the one I look at anyway. Good, better, best. Picking best. Pick my name. Bet you can't guess it at this point. And there I have my Pages document as a PDF that I can put into my handouts folder for my kids. Last but not least, what you may have files in is Notebook. So here's my Notebook file, And one thing I want to make clear is these are all one page. You can have documents that are as big as you want, and they will convert to a PDF. I've handed out notebooks to my students up to about 100 pages before. The only difference that you'll really see is they may take a little bit longer to upload to Google Drive or for the kids to pull down from Google Drive. Other than that, everything works exactly the same. So here in Notebook, I go File, and I go Export As, and I want to find PDF. And I get some options in Notebook that I didn't get before. I always go full page, but you can choose the option that you like. I also choose to not show the page borders. Again, that's not the right answer, it's just an answer. I click Continue. Computer's thinking. Okay, here comes my dialog box. I'll give it the name that I want it. Go ahead and save that. And now I've got that as a PDF as well, which I can put on Google Drive in the handouts folder for later, and it won't count against my storage. So converting things to a PDF is as simple as either save as and finding PDF in the options, or export as and finding PDF in the options. So that's how you can get things from where you have them to a PDF, and then you'll be able to put those into your handouts folder pretty easily. Hope you found this video helpful, and thanks for watching.